Hey everyone, I'm Sophie.
And I'm Deborah.
And we're the authors of
Overcoming Overthinking.
36 Ways to Tame Anxiety for Work,
School,
and Life. And today we're on tip number 32. And tip number 32 is do something meaningful for someone else. And what the studies actually show is that doing volunteer work or doing something for someone else actually boosts your own mental health as well.
It also boosts your physical health too. So it's
Depends what you do.
It's got unlimited benefits to doing something nice for somebody else. And this is actually really perfect timing because a lot of us are feeling helpless and like we want to do something. And there are a lot of suggestions out there in the world of things we can do, and some of them feel beyond our immediate grasp. And so in some recent programs I've been doing with teams, I've suggested that team members ask one another this question: what is something that I can do right now to make your work or life 10% easier? And there's something about the 10% that makes it feel more manageable and less overwhelming. So Sophie, I'm going to ask you, what is something that I could do right now? I've got 20 minutes before my next call. What's something I could do right now that would make your work or life even 10% easier?
Make me lunch.
What do you want for lunch?
I don't know.
Oh.
I didn't think that far.
Okay, do I need to come up with what's for lunch and then make it?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait, and also, I want another dog.
That is way more than 10%. You know why? Because if we get another dog, we can't keep Daddy. And losing Daddy would make our lives significantly harder. Don't do that. We're keeping Daddy. So you want me to come up with lunch and make it in the next 20 minutes?
Yeah. And
Excellent.
I think the thing that we're doing is we're making these videos. I think these are meaningful for other people.
That's the feedback that we've gotten. So
who knows?
Who knows? You'll let us know. Thanks, everyone. See you tomorrow. It's time for lunch.